one. Oh no, I'm not starting, no, I'm just joking. So you're just going to walk through between the tables, let staff know what your name is, and you'll be all fine. If you are not sure if you're going to get let in and you've got a negative thing on your phone, that's all good. Show us that as well. We good?
And just trying to lower the levels of anxiety in our community.
Kia ora, Mr Couillault, it's your head boy from 2018. Just wanted to pop by with a message to say how tremendously proud we all are of your leadership during this difficult time. I've seen a lot of kind messages for the Papai whānau on social media, and it's made me really proud. It's also inspired me to take your job one day. In all seriousness, we are all so proud of the work that you and your senior leadership team, or the dream team as you like to call them, have done in keeping our community safe. Kia kaha, and we'll see you soon.
Hey Couillault, Nicotina here. Just wanted to thank you and the team for all the hard work you guys are putting in behind the scenes. It's definitely not gone unnoticed. With everything that's going on right now, you guys are doing an amazing job keeping it together for the students and the wider community. Just continue doing what you guys are doing, stay safe and take care.
Hi Uncle Vaughan, I hope you're doing well and I hope you still remember me. Just in case you've got me, sir, I'm the one in the middle. Yes, that's me, Grace. I hope you still remember me. Anyways, just a little message from me and our Malaga crew. Just wanted to let you know that we love you and we support you. You know that with everything that's been happening, it's the most difficult time for you, but just wanted to let you know that we love you, sir, and you don't have to worry about anything because our school didn't start the virus. It's already around the world, so you have nothing to worry about. Just know that you're doing such a great job of everything in our school. Our love and our support and our prayers go out to you, so hope you're doing well. Much love from us and hope we catch up soon. Love you.
Hey Vaughn, it's Idrees here. Hope you haven't forgotten my face or who I was, but hope everything is going well. It may not be behind the scenes, you know. I can understand the amount of pressure going through you and the SLT and teachers, staff, whoever may be, students even. But I just wanted to tell you that you're doing a great job. And if I'm frankly honest, I don't think there's a better principal or person to deal with this current situation that your school is facing through. I know you're getting a lot of stick from parents, social media, maybe even the ministry itself, but I just want to tell you you're doing a great job. You know, the response from PAP, the response from you itself is amazing, and no one can really judge you because no other school has gone through what you're going through, and the way you're dealing with it is pretty incredible. So I wish you all the best. I know you're under a lot of stress, but the Hamids believe in you, especially me. Take care.
Kia ora, Mr Couillault. I just want to say how much of an incredible job you're doing right now handling this COVID situation. I know it's hard and I know it's stressful, but if anyone's going to get through this, it's definitely you and the rest of your amazing team. I am so proud to be an ex-student and I know you.
Talofa lava, Mr Couillauld's favourite Deputy Head Boy here. Just want to say, Mr Couillaud, that I am super proud of you. You are handling the situation really well. You and also SLT. You guys are just making me really proud, and thank you for being and keeping calm. Hopefully everything can go back to normal so you guys can have a little break for yourselves and just chill at home, have a barbecue with your family, and yeah, hopefully I can come in soon and know you guys in your office. Alofa asu.
Hey Mr Couillaud and DPs, just jumping on here. I wanted to say a big thank you to you guys for the hard work you guys are doing behind the scenes and for our school. Keep your guys' head up, walk with God, and anything is possible. Hopefully see you guys soon.
I hope you're well. Just wanted to say you've been doing an amazing job with the COVID-19 response to our school. Not one but two waves, and you've handled it amazingly, as well as the student leadership team with the senior management team. You guys are doing an amazing job and keep up the good work.
Hi SLT! I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you on behalf of the leaders, because we understand that it's super stressful what you do and it's hard work and not everybody understands all the things that happens behind the scenes. So we really do want to thank you, and you should know that we...
Kia ora. My name is Wafong Pham and I was the Deputy Head Boy 2019. I just wanted to say a massive thank you to Mr Couillault for all of his hard work during this really rough time. I know that it's been a really difficult time for a lot of people at our school and our community, but they know that they're in safe hands. Thank you for being so awesome. I really miss you and I'll see you soon.
Hi everyone, it's Lydia here. I just want to jump on and say a few words before I head off to work. I just want to remind you that you're amazing and you're doing such an awesome job with this COVID situation at Papai. I just wanted to remind you that us Malancas love and got you always.
Hello Mr Couillault and all of the deputy principals and Mr Williams. Thank you for all the hard work you're doing into making sure Papatoetoe remains a safe place. I'm just here to say thank you for all the hard work you've done, and to Mr Couillault and Mr Williams, I ended up getting my job at Bunnings and I used you guys as a reference. I don't know if they ever called you, but yes, so thank you for that. You know, I wouldn't be here today without you guys regardless, and just thank you to all of the SLT for putting on all that hard mahi. Kia ora.
Hey, just a quick thank you to Mr Couillault and the DPs for generally caring for us and helping us and being there for us. If keeping us safe and taking action real quick. No, it's not that easy, but we'll support and help you all the way, you know? We're here for you, so thank you.
Hey sir, just wanted to send my love and support to you during this tough time. I know that you may be going through a lot right now, but we just want to let you know that you're not alone, and I know we can get through this. We appreciate everything that you do, and don't forget that you are such a resilient and amazing and strong individual, but a leader to us all. So we love you, and don't forget to take care of yourself, and we're all in this together.
Hey Mr Couillault and DPs, just want to say thank you for your hard work and effort that you guys have put into keeping our school safe. We understand how difficult and stressful your job can be, but just know that together as a team we can get through this by doing our job. But other than that, keep your head high, have faith in our Heavenly Father that He will get us out of this situation.
Hey Vaughan and team at Papatoetoe High, hope you are all well. Just wanted to say thanks and well done for your quick response to the COVID news at the school. I understand it's a difficult time for everyone. You are doing an amazing job. Make sure you get time to yourself, with your friends, your loved ones, your family, kids, anything like that. You're doing an amazing job, keep it up, well done.
To our wonderful principal and SLT, I want to say a huge thank you to all of you for all the hard work that you've done for our students. Also on behalf of our student leaders, thank you for supporting us to further help support our students. We appreciate it.